So if you're doing a left-hand approximation for your rectangles, the very first height just starts at f of a. And all your heights, you're just going to keep adding until you get the n number of heights for the n number of rectangles. So you're not actually going to get all the way to b, you're going to stop one before it. But if you're doing 4 rectangles, you'll have 4 values. Right-hand rectangles, you don't start at a, you start at the other side. So a plus a delta x is where you start, and keep adding for all of these. Once you find your starting spot, just keep adding delta x until, again, in this case, you get n heights for your n rectangles. Midpoint we'll go to next. Midpoint, you don't start at a or full delta x over. You start halfway between the intervals, so you start at a plus half a delta x for your starting spot. And then again, once you find your starting spot, just keep adding delta x until you get your n heights for your n rectangles. Trapezoid is the only one where you'll have n plus 1 values here. You're actually going to start at f of a, keep adding delta x until you get all the way to f of b. And the middle guys will all have 2's, but the end guys will not. That's that. If you've learned Simpsons, super similar to trapezoidal, it'll be delta x over 3. So if I just change this one to Simpsons, delta x over 3. First and last don't have any coefficients. These guys alternate 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. Yeah, that'll do it. Cool.